We're paying for
5-piece chicken nuggets.
That's not enough for you. That's
I'd like. Is it Monterey Ranch chicken?
It's good.
I like the Monterey Ranch crispy chicken sandwich.
Alright.
And and a French fry.
Okay, small, medium, or large, and value size fry.
I like the big one, please.
So you want the large?
Yes, yes. Yes. Oh, and also please. Oh man. Would anyone like share a Frosty with me?
I'll share.
yeah, I'll do it.
A large, two large Frosties.
Frosty machines are
Wait.
down right now.
What?
Frosty machine is done.
Wait, what'd you say?
The Frosty machines are down, we can't make you Frosty.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry about that.
Oh man. Okay. That's all right. We forgive you.
Okay, guys, are you done ordering?
I think we're done. All right, I think we're done.
Yeah, we told on the second window if you'd like to
All right.
swap in.
Thanks.